What's up, YouTube? Just showing you guys a recent check engine light that I have. This is a 2003 Acura TL Type S. I was driving and then check engine light came on, and so when I checked it, it was a code P 0420. So it said bank 1 sensor, something like that. But when I got it, I resetted it. But again, I took it for a drive, and then it came back on last night. So I wanted to show you guys what I got. So here's the light right there. Check engine light on. I just plugged up the my scanner, and that's what it says, 0420. So what I'm about to go do is I was reading online. They said that it might be a bad O2 sensor. So that's the first thing, because it's the cheapest way to to go about doing it before moving on to anything else. I think people were saying the next one might be a bad catalytic converter, and yeah, that becomes a little costly. So I ordered the O2 sensor earlier. It should be coming later on today through Amazon. But I'm just gonna show you guys on this video where it is and how I'm gonna take it off. Alright, hold on a second. Let me do that real quick. Alright guys, I cooled down the car for a minute before I try to take out this O2 sensor, because it was a little hot. But you guys could see it right there. The access point would be easiest would be, from the passenger side, and yeah, it's right there. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to take it off, and hopefully I'll be able to show you guys that. But what I have is this O2 sensor remover. I hope it fits. I haven't tried it, but it should. Alright, let me try to do that real quick. Let me set this right here. Yep, you guys can see that. Or you know what? You guys could probably go through the front too. Might be easier. Oops. Let's try that again. Okay. Slide that thing over. Yep, it's the right socket. once you guys got it loose, that's all you gotta do. And you get to do it by hand. This one, oh, it's a little clip. Okay. And that's how it looked like. This is what they call the down pipe O2 sensor. I was gonna try to clean it, but they said that rarely works, so I just bought another one, an aftermarket one, for 16 bucks on Amazon. This one was it's a Denso. Part number is 234000-2640. I'm not sure if this was the original, but I'm replacing it anyways. So let's see where that wiring connects to. Oh, it's just right there. So just unplug this. Oh damn, I'm not gonna be able to do that with one hand. But you gotta see what it looked like. I'm gonna try to take this off real quick. You're gonna need a screwdriver. Okay. So I just used a screwdriver to kind of separate them, but this is what it looked like. That's the plug, and here's the one that's attached to the car. The O2 sensor didn't look like it was original. so it might have been changed out already. Alright, so I'm just gonna wait for my O2 sensor to come in, and I'll show you guys when I put that one in. Alright guys, we're back. Right here is the new O2 sensor that I just got, the black one. This one right here was the one that was on the car that we took off. They look pretty similar. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this one on. It should be pretty quick. Alright, let's start. Okay. Let's see. It looked like the wiring on this new O2 sensor is a bit longer than the old one, so I got a zip tie just so it's not hanging out after I install it. Okay. That should be good. Alright. Let me put that one right there. And then let me show you guys the connection. That's what it should go right there. Should be like that. That's kind of hard doing it one-handed. Hold on. Alright, so that should be all the way in. Now, I think I'm just gonna have to zip tie this here to hold it. Alright, let me go and try to do that. What happened to my zip tie? Oh. Okay. Like this. Okay. Why the hell is it going off? Let's try this again. That should be good. Alright. Okay, guys. That's it. It should be on. Now it's time for me to try it and see if it works. Alright, guys.